Hello students again. Now we're going to take the comparing Egypt's climates, page 144. Okay, let's start to read. What about Rashad and Zina here? My favorite time of the year is winter in Alexandria because the temperatures always feels a little cooler, said Rashad. Even though it's rainy, I like the break from the hot and humid summer. Here Rashad told to Zina about the Alexandria climate. It's a little cool and he is interested with. Okay, in winter. One time we went to Luxor to visit family in the winter, replied Zina. Zina said to Rashad or remembered when they went to Luxor before. But it was still so hot and it had not rained in months. I was happy to get back home. That's so strange. Luxor and Alexandria are both in Egypt. I wonder why the weather was so different. Is it always like that? Asked Rashad. Why they are different? Although they are in the same country. Why? Why pupils? Because Alexandria in north of Egypt, but Luxor in south of Egypt. Okay? I think so, said Zena. Luxor has a desert climate. Also, Luxor has desert climate. It's hot and dry, but I still wonder if it ever rains there. Okay, let's compare them. We have here 4 tables or schedules. The first one and the second one for Alexandria climate, the average temperatures and the average precipitation. And third and fourth for Luxor. Also average temperatures and average precipitations. Okay, precipitations for the rains, sure. Okay, we can compare January. January for Alexandria temperature, it was 9 degrees Celsius, okay, between 9 and 18 in January, okay, and 55 millimeter rains during January. Okay, what about Luxor now? Luxor, it was 6 to 6 also, the temperature, and the precipitation was 0. The chance for raining was 0 for Luxor. Okay. Let's move to describing climates in Egypt. Here in this page, you should write about Alexandria's climate and Luxor's climate to compare between them. Today, we take about the Africa continent. Our lovely Egypt is located in here, Africa continent. And outlines of our continent are a lot of oceans and seas, as you can see. Okay, can you determine the North Atlantic Ocean on the map? Also South Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean, Red Sea, and Gulf of Aden. Okay, here I'll tell you now. Mediterranean Sea is this one. Is the north of Egypt. Okay. This is the Red Sea. It the east of Egypt. and this is the Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden. But in the other side, we can find the North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Okay? Okay. Now here we have each one square from these squares about 1000 kilometer. Okay? You can write down here the North Atlantic Ocean, the distance between Egypt to North Atlantic Ocean. You can count the number of squares and multiply by 1000 and write down it. Okay? Okay. Climate data. We have here 8 tables or schedules for 4 cities. You can study these data and then decide what are the 4 cities on the map. Okay, good luck. Thank you.